Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I've come up with a new website by which you can earn much profit. So do watch my video from beginning to end so you don't miss any information that is necessary, and do subscribe to my channel so don't miss any video that I post next. So today I'm going to tell you about Bit Accelerated investment you can trust. You can get started by simply clicking this get started button. The most trusted cryptocurrency platform. Here are a few reasons why you should choose us. Industry best practices. Bit Accelerated supports a variety of the most popular digital currencies. Secure storage. We store the vast majority of the digital assets in secure offline storage. Account privacy. We will never share your private data without your permission. Let's mine. Focused active management of high growth digital assets. Bit Accelerated Global Ltd is a registered investment platform providing digital asset investment management services to individuals. We provide a dynamic investment solution to clients in need of a self-operating portfolio as well as a smart fund with flexible time and investment amount. A starter pack is 0.000290 BTC, duration for 7 days, referral 2.5%, hash rate is 5 pH. Premium back price 0.61614 BTC, duration for 7 days, referral 7.5%, hash rate 10 pH. So the gold back price 1.4964 BTC, duration for 7 days, referral 15%, hash rate 15 pH. Frequent questions. Build your savings without even trying. Turn on roundup rules and start saving up effortlessly. Whenever you select a plan, Bit Accelerated makes it easy for you to make money to save for the things you want to do. We offer you the best cryptocurrency money making scheme. What is Bit Accelerated? Bit Accelerated is a registered digital asset investment firm based in the UK. The platform, which includes advanced basic and technical analysis at the source of high return performances, offers high and fixed interest returns, aiming for the success when its internal investment network, experienced team, privileged information from business and technology world. Bit Accelerated stands out from its competitors with its proven quality and ease of use. The company, which is managed under the leadership of people who think and foresee the future, is committed to achieving high returns from well-diversified portfolios and prioritizing clients' guaranteed interest returns. But how? Digital assets are a class of assets considered dangerous and inconvenient. Many reasons such as liquidity, money laundering, accusation, uncertainty of regulation, excess restriction, volatile markets, functionality inquiries, reduced trust in these assets. We believe that the risk factors should be eliminated for all people who believe that finance will rise on distributed systems. That's why we offer high interest returns to platform investors with careful and detailed examination of market conditions, daily trading volume expectations. We change our portfolio distribution and adjust our investment strategy. With the active fund management, you enjoy the fixed interest rate return on the user side. What a company principle. Successful investment management companies base their business on a core investment philosophy, and Bit Accelerated is no different. Although we offer innovative and specific strategies through digital asset funds on an overarching theme runs through the investment guidance we provide to clients. Focus on those things within your control. There are basically 4 principles that we attach great importance to. 1. Create clear appropriate investment goals, and appropriate investment goals should be measurable and attainable. Success should not depend on outsized investment returns or impractical saving or spending requirements. Number 2, develop a suitable asset allocation using broadly diversified funds. A sound investment strategy starts with an asset allocation befitting the portfolio's objective. The allocation should be built upon reasonable expectation for risk and returns and use diversified investments to avoid exposure to unnecessary risks. Number 3, minimize cost. Markets are unpredictable. Costs are forever. The lower your cost, the greater your share of an investment's return. And research suggests that low cost investments have tended to outperform higher cost alternatives. To hold on to even more of your return, manage for efficiency. You can control the markets, but you can't control the bite of costs and efficiency. Number 4, last but not the least, maintain perspective and long-term discipline. Investing can provoke strong emotions in the face of market turmoil. Some investors may find themselves making impulsive decisions or conversely becoming paralyzed, unable to implement an investment strategy or rebalance a portfolio as needed. Discipline and perspective can help them remain committed to a long-term investment program through periods of market uncertainty. Second last question, what are digital assets and how are they valued? Digital assets distributed ledger-based electronic means of exchanges. Transactions involving them are secured by cryptography, and they have dedicated servers for verification of transactions and the creation of extra units. The most popular of them are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, etc. All digital assets are valued by price action, and as a result, almost total control is in the hand of the investing public. Last question, how can I ask for support? We are here to help you with any problem and questions you may encounter while using the platform and during your investment experience. You can always contact or turn the situation into an opportunity. Diversify your investment portfolio. BitAccelerated is a fully ledgered and officially registered company whose activities are regulated by the financial control authorities under the jurisdiction of the United Kingdom. Accepting our terms of cooperation, you can be absolutely sure of getting a guaranteed profit and full return on your investment. 14 plus total assets, 13 plus years of experience, 244 plus qualified traders, and 53 countries supported. As an investor, and these are some of the reviews on our website. As an investor, I always do my proper research before joining any program. This company is really different from others out there, and I'm happy to be a part. This is the best investment company I've ever come across. BitAccelerated is the best you can ever find. I love BitAccelerated. They always keep to their promises of prompt payment. BitAccelerated platform is at your service with its user-friendly features, secure infrastructure, and applications that makes a difference. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also if you have any questions, you can email us or talk with us on WhatsApp. Now, about us. BitAccelerated is a UK-based and registered cryptocurrency investment and cooperative investment company. We are registered under Company House Royal Registrar and the United Kingdom Registrar of the Companies. A conglomerate of distinguished companies and experts in forex market analysis, cryptocurrency investors, banking personnel, adept analysts on stock bond with a specialty in future stock prediction, gold forex exchange, silver, oil, and real estate with vast experience and skill, partners for collective ambition, company growth, economic stimulation, and common goals. Utilizing exceptional knowledge and near accurate mathematical expert predictions, we believe in collective investments and partnerships. Superior investment performances are achieved through flexibility, knowledge, experience, and adaptability to tidal changes in the business ocean. Our consortium is a precisely built company that is gunned towards the niche of cryptocurrency investments and stock bond, a vast network of functional systems spanning around the globe, spun around a common core, interconnected and wired for maximum efficiency and consistent breakthroughs. We are always working around the clock to provide a very secure, safe, and efficient investment platform necessary for full investment, affiliate, and partnership returns. Our staff are always pushing towards maintaining our esteemed reputation as one of the best investment and partnership companies in cryptocurrency. We offer vast arrays of choices spanning from direct partnership investment, affiliate agency to online partnership investment and affiliate programs in a secure and transparent ground that is both engaging and easily rendered by our investors, affiliates, and partners. These are some of the reviews which I have already read for you guys. So now I'm gonna tell you how to log in. First of all, you have to write your email, and after that you just have to write your password and then log in easily. So if you want to register, you have to write your full name, your username, your email, your mobile number, your password, and retype password. All you have to do is this, and easily you can register or log in. So that was it for today's video. If you got some information from a video, so do subscribe to my channel, and do comment, share, subscribe my video. Do share my videos as much as you can so other people might know about this beautiful BitAccelerated investment app. And so I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourselves. Goodbye.